One of the biggest mistakes is believing that turf should be cheap. If you're getting turf less than $10 per square foot, chances are your installer is cutting costs somewhere. And like Mama says, you only get what you pay for and nothing's free except for Jesus. So you just want to make sure you're comparing apples to apples here. Do your research to know what product is going into your yard. The most common issue is not using proper base. Some installers use sand or even install over your dirt. This causes issues with drainage and weeds growing through. Without a compact base, the turf can become lumpy and uneven. This is extremely unpleasant to look at or walk on. Also, one of the most important processes is seaming. And that's why it's important to pick a company that has the most experience and not just chuck in the truck. Because that can leave your turf looking patchy and it can come up over time, which you do not want. So instead of going with cheap and having someone have to come back out and rip up all your turf, which can cost you more money, go with quality. Go with 365 Custom Turf.